In this video tutorial, I will put you through on how to create playlists on a YouTube channel with your smartphone. Most times, people think that creators think that you can only do this with a laptop or a computer. But here, follow me. Let me walk you through on how to do that with your smartphone and still add videos inside that playlist. Let's get into it. The first step you need to take is to open a web browser installed on your phone. Here I'm using iPhone. So I'll be using Safari web browser to do this. So I will tap on it for it to open. As the Safari browser opens, you need to visit studio.youtube.com. So that place you have search or enter website, tap in there, tap there, and then type studio.youtube.com. Okay, so once you finish typing the web link, studio.youtube.com, tap on the go button. It says you are not signed in. I will tap on sign in. Type the email address you want to use in this case and hit next button. Okay, so here it's requesting that I should fill the password to that email address. So I will fill the password. I filled password is loading. All right, this has detected my account, which is the one I used to sign in now. So there are two channels attached to that account. So I will tap on one, which is this one named Godwin Tech. Okay, so now I have been signed into youtube.com right now, but I need to visit studio.youtube.com again for me to be able to sign in. So once I visit that, it will automatically sign me in. So I'll tap inside this section that has youtube.com, which you call the address bar, and I will sign in. I will visit studio.youtube.com, okay? After typing the studio.youtube.com, tap on go. Then it's asking me to open Get app, that is YouTube Studio app. I don't want that because I have it already. I want to sign in through a web browser. I will say continue to studio. So I'll tap on that link. Okay, once you sign into studio.youtube.com successfully, tap on the plus button. Let me zoom this so that you see it. This plus button that has the text create, tap there. So on tapping on create, you are given some options. Select new playlist. And this opens this way, telling you to add the name of the playlist. That's the title. So tap there and give it a name of your choice. So here I want to call this Microsoft OneDrive Mobile. Okay, so mine has been typed Microsoft OneDrive Mobile Tutorials. Then the under it is description. So tap into that box, inside that box, and describe what this playlist is all about. So I'll tap here and I will say few things. It's important because it will help you to rank on search engines fast. Okay, so I have finished typing this description of this playlist. I said this is about how to use Microsoft OneDrive mobile app to back up your files. Learn how to use cloud storage app on the go. So it's just simple and concise, okay? So after you are done describing this, tap on done button. Then you can push this so that you see whatever thing that is here on this page, okay? On this create a new playlist page, okay? So you shrink it a little, all right? Put your fingers at two edges of this screen and then start bringing them together for you to see all these things here. Then the next step is to tap on create button. So once this is created, you can add videos inside because as this is created, it's open automatically. So for you to add videos, tap on this add video button, add videos button. Then you see upload new video. You see choose existing videos. So tap on choose existing videos. So this will open some videos you have. So if you know the one that aligns with this particular folder, this particular playlist you created, tap on them. So this one, create folders on mobile, this one, this one, this one. So keep tapping on the one that is about that particular playlist, this one. Okay, so I have some videos, maybe on my own convenient time I will still add more, but at the moment 1 2 3 4 5 are about OneDrive Mobile. Okay, 6 about OneDrive Mobile, 7 OneDrive Mobile. So I've selected those videos I want to add. Then after that, push towards the left. Okay, and you will see the done button. So tap on that done button, and these videos are now added inside this playlist. I believe this content helps. Please, if it does help, consider subscribing to this channel. Here we cover a lot on technology, YouTube education, and self-publishing. So subscribe to learn more. Leave a comment if you have a question. Leave it in the comment section, okay? And hit the like button so that YouTube recommend this video to more people. Thank you, and see you some other time.